Hello everyone. Good morning. My hair is not the best. It's never the best. So we are here um, by the St. John Cathedral because why not? I'm currently waiting for my mom to finish taking pictures because she's just so fixed on taking pictures of people jumping off the KL Tower. It's eating up our time. I'm just gonna walk on ahead to the park until she realizes that I've left her, and maybe she'll follow me. Maybe. It's gonna take a while. My backpack is really heavy. Like, I shouldn't be carrying this bag for over 2 hours. Here we are, making bad life decisions. Oh look! Dang it. Wow. Okay, well I'm just gonna keep walking ahead. Do what I do. I don't even know where we are. What's up? We made it to Petronas Towers. Where is it? I can't see it. But we made it. And no, we did not walk the entire way because I knew my mother would not have the willpower to do that. We had lunch at a nearby cafe. And then we decided to take a Grab to here. Because it's hot. Like, it's Malaysian heat. I'm hot. Again, I'm tired. I want to go back into a cold room. There's so many people, as expected of a tourist attraction. Right, and the sun's out. But it's okay, we got our pictures. So we're happy, we're ready to leave. I am. What?